Now, before we get started, this is not a substitute for the printed fitting instructions, and is mandatory that the fitting instructions are read thoroughly several times before going any further. This video is only a general how to assemble and install the side boat loader. Each fitment will differ slightly. Next, we need to measure the distance between the two top sliding crossbars. Add this to the formula provided in the instructions and cut the axle to the specified length. When fitting the axle, always insert from the front of the vehicle, through the pillar block first, then the worm drive. This will ensure that no damage is done to the worm drive when the axle is inserted. Now fix the axle into place using the hardware supplied.